Hi everyone, it's Sherry. So I am back to talk to you guys about the kit program that I'm starting. So this will be my very first kit that I'll put out, and it is a 3-compartment kit. It's gorgeous. It's perfect for sitting on your desk, sitting in your office, the bathroom, wherever. It is going to be a statement piece, and it is fairly easy to make. And everything that you see here is what comes in the kit. So you'll have the feet, the handle, the bow, the brads, the ribbon. Everything is included. So let me go ahead and show you all what I'll have in a kit. So I'll have the package with the hardware, the ribbon, the brads. And then I'll have a package that will contain the pre-cut chipboard. And then I'll have a package that will contain the actual pieces of paper that will be used to make your particular kit. So for instance, when you look at this package here, this piece here would be the small box in the front. The stripe piece would be the tall box here in the back. And the floral piece would be the large compartment. So that's how it actually works. So now I'll show you which kits I have available. So I have one of these, and it is, I'm calling it just green stripes and floral, in case you guys are interested in these kits. All right, guys, so let's talk about how my kit program is actually going to work. It is going to be a program that's made available to residents of the U.S. and the U.S. territories only. Unfortunately, the cost of international shipping is a little bit high, and it would mean that I would have to increase the cost of the kit to recoup the cost of shipping internationally. So, unfortunately, I can't make this program available. And the cost for these kits is $31 each. And what you'll get in the kit, you will get all the papers needed to make this complete project. You will get the bows, you'll get the brads, you'll get the hardware, you'll get the lace, you'll get the chipboard, you will get everything you need to make a completed project. So let me show you the papers that I have available for the kits that I'm offering. And these papers will also be photographed and listed on my blog so that you can go back and see how they actually look, and they'll have this little tag up in the corner. So the first one that I have is this beautiful green stripe and flower kit, and I'll show you guys how this is going to work, and this is how it will be on each of the papers that I'm showing you. So the smaller square is actually this little box. This striped one that is larger is the tall box in the back. And the largest piece is the actual floral box here. So that's how it's going to work for each one of these kits that I'll be showing you. So I have this kit available, and you can see how pretty that paper is. I have this kit available, which is pink, and you can see just how pretty these papers are. And on the double-sided papers, if you want to change it up, you can, but this is how I would actually lay it out if I was making it. Then I have this beautiful black and white rose with black and white stripes and gold polka dots. Absolutely gorgeous paper. And then I have this coral rose, which is just so pretty. You've got this ombre look here, and then these gorgeous, gorgeous rose papers. And then we've got the pink polka dots, so you've got this beautiful, beautiful print here. This is what I would have on my front for my large box. And then you've got this script, which would be the tall box, and then you've got this beautiful pink polka dot here, which would be your smaller box. And then I've got the coral floral with black dots. And this would make a stunning box when it's all put together. I mean, you can just see how pretty that is. And then I threw in a little bit of the whimsical. And this is a kitty cat paper that I have. And you can see the gorgeous little kitties with the black stripes. So I'm calling this the Kitty Black because my stripes are black. And then I've got the 6x6 piece on the top is actually a yarn ball. And then I have the Kitty Pink because the stripes are pink. And you can see these adorable little cats and the little paw prints on the top would make a really cute box for the cat lover. And then this is just so gorgeous. This is one of my favorites out of the whole collection. I love this paper. It is just so pretty and it's so heavy. And this just tie it all in beautifully. And then this one is Polka Dots and Words. And you've got the nice little flowers here with the dots. And then you've got it's kind of a dark gray, grayish black with cream colored polka dots. And then some word paper. Gorgeous. And then I have a Minnie Mouse paper that I have. And make a really cute little set for the Disney lover. And then I've got these gold polka dots with flowers. Just look how pretty this is. Gold foiling in the polka dots. And then you've got this striped coral and black paper with coordinating florals. Just so pretty. And then you've got this gorgeous piece of paper here that's got pink flowers on it with all of these little gold specks, and then the leaves, some of them have gold foil on them, and then the citrus stripe with the little pink for the box in the front. This is going to be a gorgeous kit. And then my last one is the Peaches and Cream kit, and this would actually be your large box, tall box, and then the small box in the front. So pretty. So these are the kits that I have available right now for sale. So they will be sold on a first come first served basis. I will have these kits listed on my blog so that you can go out and see them. And the way that it works is if you're interested in a kit, please email me and I will send you a PayPal invoice. And once the PayPal invoice has been sent back with payment, I will put this in the mail to you guys. Okay guys, so we have talked about everything that comes in the kit. We've talked about where I can and cannot ship, and we have reviewed the cost, which is $31 completely shipped. Now let's talk a little bit more in depth about the actual kit program. For the kit program, my plan is to create an exclusive item for my kits. I will also have kits that I will make available of items that I have already made and you have already seen on my channel. But for the items that I make exclusively for the Kit Club, which would be this item, it will be offered on a closed tutorial. So what that means is, for those of you who purchase a kit, I will be providing you with a link to a YouTube video that is not posted to the public. It is a private link, and I will give you that link along with a PDF of the printed instructions as well, so that you can have those if you want them. The video that I will be posting will be an A to Z complete step-by-step tutorial so that you can put your box together along with me. Now, on the videos that I do or have done, I'll also offer kits on those, but they of course wouldn't be private because I've already posted the video. So I hope that that makes sense to you guys. So I will have 2 sets of kit types that I'll offer. Kits for videos I've already made projects for, and kits for exclusive items that I'm making available strictly to my kit program. And that is what this is. So what this means is I am taking orders now for these, and this will go out on a first come, first served basis. So when they're gone, they're gone. And if I'm able to get all of these sold between today, tomorrow, and Monday, then I will have all of my kits mailed no later than Tuesday, and then I will publish the video the following Saturday. That way it'll give everyone a chance to get their kit, and then you can link to the video and prepare your box along with my video tutorial. So I hope that makes sense to everyone, because it is probably the fairest way that I'm able to do this. Now, I have these kits posted. However, if you want papers that I don't have posted here, please let me know, and I will try to pull papers that kind of match what you said you wanted, and I will put together a kit based on that. So these are the kits that I have. Please make sure that you look in my description box for the link to be able to go over and see these, and then let me know if you want to place an order for one. If you do want to place an order for one, you need to send me an email at poshpaperlady@gmail.com. First come, first serve on these. So when I get your email, I will send you a PayPal invoice, and once you make payment, I will reserve this item for you, and I will drop it in the mail to you. So hopefully, guys, I've done a decent job explaining this. This is like take 270. So hopefully I've covered everything. If I haven't and you have a question, please shoot me an email or leave me a comment, and I will get back with you. Thank you so much, guys. Y'all have a great night, and we'll chat later. Bye.